Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any of your photo into an adorable frosty 3D winter cutie effect using PixVerse. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and yes, you can generate it for free every day. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the website versions, or if you prefer the app, you can download it directly from the Play Store like this. And once you installed, and then next just simply log in using your Google account, and don't worry, PixVerse will give you a bundle of free credits every single day so you can create this effect without paying anything. And then next, once you're inside, just look at the bottom menu and then just tap on template. Just go to template sections and then just go to made by CPP sections. This one, just tap on it, and then just scroll down until you find the one effect that called 3D winter cartoon. This one, this one, just tap on it and then just tap on use template. This is the one that gives your photo that super adorable soft 3D winter character looks. And then next, just upload or choose the photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie, a portrait, or even a photo of your friend. Anything will work as long as the face is clear. Like this, after selecting your photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then just go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, there it is. Just look at this. Super cute 3D winter versions of your photo. The glowing colors, and then rounded 3D styles. Everything, honestly, everything looks absolutely adorable. And okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.